Today we will be talking about internet connections and if you still is off-grid if you got one, so stay tuned. Hi, glad that you're here. Today will be a short video on what we have been up to on the homestead in the woods. We have struggled with an expensive 4G internet connection at the homestead in the woods for many years now. It have been impossible to work from the homestead due to the unreliable connection. The government in Sweden have a goal that all Swedes should have a fiber connection, and finally it's our turn. It's quite amazing that we can get it in the middle of nowhere. They had to lay down miles of fiber cables to get it to us, and it took several years. So this fall they dug through our forest right up to the cabin. I asked a question in a comment of a video from Jen at the Wild Jam channel about her thoughts around being off-grid and internet connections. Be sure to check her channel out, she's doing an awesome job on uploading great videos. I leave a link in the end to her video. I have come to the conclusion that if we are going to be living more in the cabin in the woods, we need a stable internet connection to be able to work and also produce these videos. What we don't need is the power grid. Right now we are not consuming a lot of energy in our homestead in the woods and we got our own well and sewage system. So finally, the day came to install the fiber connection. This will be a game changer for us. I have cancelled our 4G service and we will be switching over to a 100 megabit upload and 100 megabit download fiber service in the first part of November. It's not as fast as the 1000 megabit connection that we got on the urban homestead, but it will serve us good. Can you be off-grid with a connection to the internet? My answer is yes. You don't have to be living in a cave just to qualify to be off-grid. It's mainly the power grid that we are talking about. Then you can try to be totally self-sustainable, but that is something else. That's it for this week. Please leave your take on being off-grid with an internet connection in the comments. Have an amazing weekend and I will see you in the next episode.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag. And then you can also click on the little bell icon up there, and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.